In today's short and simple tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can see unsent messages on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to read deleted messages on Instagram, you need to download this application from the Play Store called Unseen and View Deleted Messages. Once the application is downloaded and installed, click on Open. Now from here, make sure that Instagram is selected, then click on Next. Click on Enable Permission. Now grant all the necessary permissions that are required to run this application. Once you have done that, go back. And basically this is all you have to do. After this, whenever a person will unsend a message on Instagram, you will see that message right here. In this way, you can read deleted messages on Instagram. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.